Thousands and thousands Ahmadis gathered at Ahmadiyya Mission House in Vaughan, Ontario to receive their Caliph Hazrat Mirza Masroor Ahmad Sahib. We are standing outside headquarters of Jamaat-e-Ahmadiyya in Vaughan, Canada. Today is the day to receive their Caliph who is coming to visit here and meeting all the Canadian and along with them all Ahmadiyya community around the world. The message is every year for the peace and integration with other communities through Jamaat-e-Ahmadiyya and their predominant leaders who are working here. Through their youth and through their contribution of doing volunteer work shows how organized they are. Through their talk and their 3 days event, they show that how much they are contributing to deliver the message to the people. This year also it is going to happen in October from 7th to 9th. This 3-day event is going to be headed by the Caliph himself. Ahmadis were showing their height of excitement through religious rhymes and play cards for their Hazur. We have Abdul Halim Tayyib Sahab with us. We are going to talk about the arrival of their Caliph and what is his feelings at this very auspicious occasion. Let's talk to him. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you, Halima. You have been very kind. Tech TV is covering the whole event. You will see the beauty of people, how joyous they are, how the people, they are anxiously waiting for their beloved Hazur. It's a very special day that Hazur Ayyadahullah Ta'ala, his name is Hazrat Mirza Masroor Ahmad Khalifatul Masih. So he is gracing us and this land is also graced by him. So we appreciate your presence and by the grace of Allah you will cover the event and you will see, you will catch those glimpses and you will see the people, how love they maintain, how respect they maintain.
So what are the expectations? What is going to be delivered, the message, the special kind of talk about this occasion and what he sees for Jamaat-e-Ahmadiyya?
Mostly the worldwide head of the Ahmadiyya community, Hazrat Sahibzada Mirza Masroor Ahmad, he mostly spoke on peace, love and tolerance. So categorically he rejects all sort of terrorism anywhere in the world. So his message is love for all, hatred for none. And then for the very special people, those who are the policymaker, they get a very real message, the message of wisdom. So he will speak on different things, but mostly he preferred that the world come under peace and there should be no hatred and they must maintain their contact with their creator.
So how long this event is going to go for?
Our special event is our annual convention that is from 7th of October till 9th of Sunday. So these 3 days are very special days. You will see thousands of people from different parts of the world representing different countries, different colors, different creeds, different nations, and the Canadian too as well. From different walk of life, they will be present.
Thank you.
My name is Bilawal Aleem and I am a spokesperson for the Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat Canada. So His Holiness Hazrat Mirza Masroor Ahmad, who is the spiritual head for millions of Ahmadiyya Muslims around the world, he is actually arriving in just a few hours from now. And he will be having a press conference, not today, but later this week on Friday, where he will be addressing a lot of the media. But today, it's more for the community members, where he'll do a walkthrough and then he'll later on lead prayers in the mosque right behind us. As you can see around, there's so many workers, and someone from outside the community would think they're paid, but they're actually volunteers. These are doctors, lawyers, engineers, students who have booked off work and school for 4 to 6 weeks just so they can be in the presence of their Caliph. So that's very interesting to see.
I wish I had the words. It's all about feeling. I believe when you meet the one you love the most, all you do is either shed your tears with your happiness or feel that your heart is pumping so hard you can't even speak. I'm conducting different interviews with people who are Ahmadis to see after them. Hazur came here in 2012 and many people couldn't meet him because he was in the West Coast. And then now he's coming, and there are Syrian brothers, there are African brothers, there are people from Bosnia, there are people from Pakistan, there are people from India, Bangladesh, you name it, all the Ahmadis are here. And all of us, we have only one thing in common, that we love this man of God.
Hazrat Masroor Sahib arrived with dozens Ontario police officers' motorcade. Helicopters were flying over the venue. He was greeted by Ontario politicians along with local Ahmadiyya leaders outside the guest house. Then he left for prayer. Halima Sadia, Tag TV.
#1 multicultural channel. This is Tag TV.